how the Allbetter will simplify, soothe, and take care of all the stress that you might ever experience when it comes down to managing or maintaining your home or a property. Let's go ahead and post a basic handyman work. So here you want to spend as much detail time as possible in putting as much details as you can, so you don't have to go back and forth trying to explain it to the contractors when they send you a bid what exactly needs to be done. It's also great, and it's contractor loves this, is when you upload images or a 30-second video. The app will allow you to take a 30-second video, record what needs to be done, upload it to the app, and that will also go with part of your job details. Select an address where you want the service to be done at. Remember, you can do this, you don't have to be physically present. You can do this from remote or vacation or travel. If you're a landlord and one of your tenants is experiencing an issue, this works perfectly. The app gives you an opportunity to choose the time and the date that works best for you. And here we're giving the customer the opportunity also and the freedom to name their own price. You can pay per project, and what the app will do, it's going to try to find you a contractors within your local community that could work within that price range. You can also set an hourly rate, or in the case if you're not sure what to pay, it's always safe to go with open to any bid. But we always encourage people to choose a budget. That way we can make sure that we fulfill all of the needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 100 bucks. And this is it. So this is your job summary. As you can see, it's fairly simple and easy. You could do this on 30 seconds or less. Allows you to see summary details if everything is correct. At this point, as soon as you hit post my job, the app is gonna go and send your work order to every single handyman that verified in our platforms within your area, giving them a chance, an opportunity to look at your work order and respond back with a proper bid. And in just a few minutes, you're going to start receiving bids directly from contractors in your area. To access those bids, click on this icon here. This shows you all the proposals and all the jobs you have open. The first one is the one we just posted. Budget was 100 bucks, but we already received one bid at a $95. These badges tells you this one has been criminally background checks. This was recommended. You kept 5-star ratings plus in the last 5 jobs plus, and they're also professionals as status. These are badges that we award to these contractors as we start watch their performance in our platform. Keep in mind, every contractor, when they join the app for the first time, they have no reviews, so they have to start build their review system here by doing works directly with our customers. And for one thing, if the contractors, we find them to be abusive or mean or unprofessionals, we simply kick them out of our platforms. We want to make this easy, convenient, and hassle-free. You have an options here to chat with this vendor. If you want to ask more questions, get some any details you want to know more about them. And if you're safe and you're ready to go, you simply hit the hire button. And now the money is held in an escrow account. So the contractors will not get paid till the work is completed. And as you can see here, once you actually schedule someone, now you have the ability to call them directly. And they're also able to see the full address where the service needs to be done at. Or you can completely just use the app built-in chat to keep the conversation going. And then when the work is completed, you'll receive an invoice. In the invoice, you'll have a summary of the job order, a picture of the completed work, and all we ask is you rate your experience and give us the okay to release the fund. These are the reviews that we use to maintain high quality standard of contractors in our platforms.